Hello, Caesar here with Dealer Scanning. I'm going to show you how Dealer Scanning's real-time reporting application works. For this example, I will use a user from the best dealer group with access to many dealerships scanning repair orders. So here we'll log in with John and click on the reports icon. Here we're presented with a scanning summary for the dealer group for each dealership for the current month. As you can see, we have 9 dealerships showing you the total monthly scan repair order count for each. You can sort this data by clicking on the column header, and you can also export via Excel, CSV, or PDF. You can also view previous months by clicking the month drop-down. We'll hit select June, and it will give you all the information for all the dealerships for that month. Now, I'm going to show you the detailed scanning report for each dealership. So we'll use the best 4 dealership here for the month of June, and we'll click on the detailed report link. Now you can see a summary for the current year for this dealership by month. So looking at June, we see that there were 649 open ROs. There were 613 scanned from the open date. There were 36 not scanned, 14 warranty repair orders not scanned, and a total of 767 repair orders were scanned this month. This summary gives you a real snapshot of your scanning process. But wait, there's more. What if we want to see the detail for those not scanned repair orders? Well, if you look at the month of June, we see that there are 36 repair orders that have not been scanned. Simply click on the number 36, and this will open the RO detailed report at the bottom of your screen with the information necessary to help you find the physical document: repair order number, open date, whether it is a warranty repair order or not, customer name, and VIN information. Again, you can export this report easily via Excel or CSV. And finally, I want to show you the daily detail report for each month. Simply click on the month. In this example, I'm going to click on June. And here we have a day-by-day snapshot of the scanning being performed. Shows you every day of the month. And if we look at June 2nd, we see that there were 34 open repair orders. There are 33 scanned from the open date. One of those were not scanned. There are no warranty ROs on that date. And on this date, there were 95 repair orders that were scanned. This is pretty simple. This report, this snapshot gives you the best idea of how the scanning is going. It keeps people accountable. If you're interested in scanning, please give me a call. This is Caesar with Dealer Scanning. Thank you for watching.